All right. What's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be giving a brief general intro to SushiSwap. Okay. So if you go to sushi.com, that takes you to the website that we are on currently. All right. And as you can see here, it's very cool looking. Okay. Be a DeFi chef with sushi. Okay. You can swap, earn, stack yields, lend, borrow, leverage, all on one decentralized community driven platform. Welcome home to DeFi. All right. Now, DeFi just stands for decentralized finance, swapping, stacking yields, lending, borrowing. Maybe all of this is brand new to you, especially with cryptocurrency. But, one of the biggest ways that people make money these days with cryptocurrency and build passive income with cryptocurrency is through a lot of these DeFi protocols, right? And a lot of times you need a good swap or a good DEX, like a good exchange where you can swap certain coins with other ones, right? Because if not everything is available to purchase. For instance, let's say on Coinbase, right? If you want a different token, you're gonna need to use a swap exchange platform a lot of the times. Is one of the easiest and has the least amount of fees, right? So we'll go ahead and look at them. Michelin star worthy DeFi innovations crafted by our master chefs. Okay, they have the multi-chain AMM, which is basically just the swap. Okay, so if you click on that, then it'll take you here, right? One of the main features that I really like about them is that they're multi-chain. Okay, so right now I have it set up on the Phantom chain, right, for the Phantom network, because Phantom has really low fees. But if we go back here, you can see that there is 14 chains supported. Okay. They have 20 different wallets supported. I made a video previously, kind of just setting up a metamask wallet and showing you guys how to add different chains to your metamask wallet. Metamask is going to make a lot of this a breeze. Okay, if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, and especially like altcoins, buying other coins other than just Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and XRP, Dogecoin, right? MetaMask is going to make your life very easy. Okay. And down here it says meet the partners helping us cook up the tastiest dishes in DeFi. They have Yearn Finance, Cream Finance, Aave. I'm personally pretty familiar with these three. And, I probably need to do a little bit more research on things like Pickle Finance, Acropolis, Keeper Network, if they're working with SushiSwap. But, very nice website, really easy to use. Okay, if you click on analytics, what it's going to do is it's going to take you here to this. And this is basically going to show you the amount of liquidity in here and the volume, right? And then it's got the top sushi liquidity pairs. We have ILV, ETH right here. We have USDC, ETH, OHM DAI, ETH, USDT. All right. And what it is these are liquidity pools. Okay. So if you go back to their main website, right, you can go to tutorials for support. And it brings you over to this page, and it gives you a brief intro. So, like, what is Sushi? It's a community-driven organization built to be solved what might call the liquidity problem, right? And liquidity is, just a big deal, especially in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of people don't understand liquidity and how it really affects the price of a token, right? And they give you a brief intro on all of this stuff. Okay, SushiSwap, liquidity pools. What are liquidity pools? They're a place to pool tokens so that users can use them to make trades in a decentralized way. These pools are created by users in decentralized apps, or dApps for short, who want to profit from their usage. Okay, so there's decentralized finance. They abbreviate that to DeFi, decentralized apps. They abbreviate that to dApps. Some of these terms you just kind of want to get familiar with, right? SushiSwap's liquidity pools allow anyone to provide liquidity at the following link. Boom. And when they do so, they will receive SLP tokens, SushiSwap liquidity provider tokens. If a user deposited Sushi and ETH into a pool, they would receive Sushi ETH SLP tokens. These tokens represent a proportional share of the pooled asset, allowing a user to reclaim their funds at any point. Every time another user uses the pool to trade between Sushi and ETH, a 0.3% fee is taken on the trade. 0.25% of that trade goes back to the liquidity pool. Okay. And there's definitely a few different platforms. Okay. So their multi-chain AMM is what I just showed you guys earlier. That's where you can come on here, let's say, right? And I have my MetaMask set up on the Phantom network. It's originally going to start off on Ethereum network, but you basically just have to swap your or connect your wallet. So now I can come in here, I can enter some Phantom, right? And then I can swap it for sushi. I can swap it for Aave, right? You can come in here and kind of just swap it for some different coins that you want, right? If I wanted to get me some Keeper, or I want some Link, some Chain Link, some MIM, Magic Internet Money, right? You can come in here and basically swap your tokens, right? So that's basically the main and most popular thing that SUSHISWAP is used for, right? And if you go back to the analytics, you can look at the top gainers, right? Okay, we have Spell Ethereum right here, Sushi Ethereum, right there at the top, Ethereum curve. So some good stuff to look at in here. Okay, definitely I would use SUSHISWAP. I like it a lot. What are some of the other things I'm looking for here? Let's go into Bento Box. Okay. Bento Box is their DApp, and they have Kashi lending and leverage, where basically you can take out some loans against your crypto, or it's like a decentralized place where you can trade on margin, things like that. And then they're staking. Okay, and if you stake sushi, all right, let's go ahead and let's go back here to where they're describing it. And let's talk about the sushi bar, okay? So X Sushi, right? This is staking. Staking, I have a video in the top right-hand corner on staking. Definitely look up staking, try to familiar yourself with that. But basically, X Sushi is a token similar to the SLP tokens, all right? Which was the sushi liquidity pool tokens, right? So X Sushi is a token you receive in exchange for staking sushi tokens in the sushi bar. While holding the token, it appreciates in value because they charge fees from the exchange platform that are then served to the sushi bar, right? So the X Sushi token is always worth more than a regular sushi token because X Sushi accrues value from the platform fees. When users make trades on the SUSHISWAP exchange, a 0.3% fee is charged. 0.05% of this fee is added to the sushi bar pool in the form of LP tokens. When the rewards contract is called, minimum once per day, all the LP tokens are sold for sushi on the exchange. The newly purchased sushi is then divided up proportionally between all of the X Sushi holders in the pool, meaning their X Sushi is now worth more sushi. Because of the way the rewards are generated, the price of X Sushi will increase with the value of sushi, and the value of one X Sushi will always be greater than the value of one sushi. Fees generated into the sushi bar are vested for a period of time. Okay. And if you wanted to stake it, right, then you can come in here, app sushi stake, right? And then you would basically just choose an amount that you want. If you look, their current APR is 13.78%. So basically you would come in here, you would enter the amount of sushi that you want to stake, right? Let's say like I have 100 sushi, boom, you'll come in here. And then it tells you the value. So one X sushi is currently worth 1.2327 sushi. And that's what they were talking about earlier, where the value of X sushi is always going to be higher, right? So you come in here and then hit confirm staking and go through all of that. And basically it just gives you a brief intro, which we already kind of went over. You can look at the stats for the just kind of to see the APR, right? You can see the 24-hour, the average, right? Now this fluctuates, okay? This is going to fluctuate and go up and down, okay? None of these APYs and APRs and things like that for a lot of these staking things, they are volatile, right? So meaning they are going to go up, they're going to go down. It's not going to stay exactly the same, okay? As you can see, it's 24% average, and then 24 hours it's only 13.42%. So that's something to just kind of track, right? So whenever they're offering a little bit better APR, or whenever you can find coins and certain things to stake that are offering a nice APR, then that would be a good time when the APR is higher, right? So hopefully you guys like this video. Just a quick little brief intro into SUSHISWAP And let me know if you guys have any other dexes or swaps or exchanges, anything like that that you guys would like me to cover. I'll be happy to do that in another video as soon as I get a chance. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where you can gain access to our trading callouts, our entries and our exits, as well as our intraday thought process on the market and all of those things, then join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. Use Zachary, code Zachary will get you a discount on the membership. And link to join is in the description below.